lit mode. Is that a way of fanning the motor? This nigga. How can you tell we in Florida? How can you tell we in Florida?
Oh.
How can you tell we in Florida? We got the Epstein towel.
I don't remember my car being that loud.
Bro, you is a garbage ass nigga, bro. You need literal days for the trash man to come through and pick this bitch out. There was double this that I had to personally put in a garbage dispenser.
Bro, I road trip from Houston to Florida. I haven't had time to.
You don't need all these mini shields, nigga.
I'm a big boy. I'm over here trying to buy my strawberry lemonade, and some freaking lady comes up behind me and goes, "Excuse me, you know if they sell lottery tickets here? I'm just passing through town." I'm like, bro.
Nigga, if you don't get your big cinnamon roll ass in the car so we can hit the road already.
I just put up in that motherfucker.
5 hours later.
Which bit is mine?
Mine is ours. We're both on this, bro. You better not roll over me in my dreams. Well, they got the Pong sober version though. I ain't trying to promote any irresponsibility. We over here got a line for the 2 a.m. fettuccine, Alfredo sauce. We got that hard bread. We like chewing into the Bible. We got a twist. We're gonna use the fireball canister as the ping pong ball.
Where's Airbnb? There's no forks in this motherfucker.
This nigga using the soup.
Bro, what is this, bro?
This nigga felt wonderful. Dude, that shit small as bro. That shit belong to rats,
I'm
bro.
scared to use these. What led you to find this out? You weren't even in here for.
I was looking for toilet paper and they didn't have any more. I'm trying to put it in the hole.
Yeah, I took a fat shit and I used it on my bed.
Hey,
by the way,
we have to read.
By the way.
We finna have an HOA violation for that.
Oh, the arm.
Okay. Hey! Hey! Tactical nuke incoming! Oh my God!
Polo!
If your name is Marco, you're fried.
I'm so scared. Marco! Polo!
God damn! Are we sleeping together or not?
Yo, you gonna sleep on a floor like this? Hey, why did can we get this CB on?
That nigga brought the boogeyman.
Chill and shit. Yo,
I ain't about to pop my mattress, bitch ass.
This guy's so much E85 in his back trunk that I can freaking smell it just from standing behind it.
Leaving the Airbnb, about to meet up with Roman to be driven. White boy money, let's go. Good morning, YouTube. Holy headlights, they actually not look that bad. It's quiet as shit out here. The f.
Yeah, you're disturbing the peace.
Pulled up to a little midlife crisis meet, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know where the fuck. This is the type of meet you gonna find on Facebook. Yeah, we got that nigga mouth's been hanging open the entire time. Rob gave me a f***ing sponsor. What are the odds of that? Rob is crazy.
Rob don't play.
Wait, is this for casino, right? Watch your business.
No, it's a business card.
But it's a poker chip.
A business card.
Okay, yeah. Let me get all the pokers. I'm just gonna increase my odds. Increase my odds of not giving this nigga business. The menu don't even got food on it. There's more women than there is food on the fucking. Shit, when you open the next page, more females. Nigga, this shit ain't for sale. White boy power! Tony Hawk.
Wheel speed sensor.
So when in the fucking lit mode? Is that a way of fanning the motor? This nigga.
Hey, so we put up to the mic night, and we about to get some clips.
Do not go now. There's a fire truck. They ain't hit a supercharged on that motherfucker. God. Hey, what was you saying, bro? Bye. We gotta go, yeah. That's no good. He's on very low tread R888s. Oh, Hunter, a fucking G35. Didn't you happen to have one? Oh my god!
Admin, so
I heard Evans was blowing up
for one, no, that's not that.
Sometimes it's not the
So it, yeah.
Time to get cool stuff with the chaser.
We're pulling out the chaser.
It's not wet enough.
It's not light enough. Scary.
Oh my god!
Buddy! I'm not driving. Hazards on.
You might as well.
Dude, the windshield wipers are in full blast and they're doing nothing.
Ole, 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 ole. Look at this nigga. For a cherry on top. I haven't seen this car in so long. Bro, what the? We haven't arrived at the track.
Leadfoot City.
I ain't never been to a track. Ooh, we get early arrival. People starting to pull in. It's starting to close up on that 7 o'clock mark. Drip Crown Vic and a very nice, clean CL1. We got drag racing going on over here too. We got the ugly ass organizer. But like, look over there. We got Dennis Rodman and Coraline at the function. This is insane. These niggas is actively spray painting. They gotta be putting LGBTQ on that bitch. Oh my god! Chevrolet in a box!
First and foremost. Okay?
First time they doing a legal pit at a drift track. They got too many degenerates in one area, but we gonna see how this motherfucker go. Like there's like a mixture of like people that can drive and can't drive. They over here Charles driving this shit. What?
I got real quick and we'll open up the pits, right?
That's a whole instrument. Yeah, they let it more.
Everybody, if you got a media ticket, that means you are allowed to be in the car.
I am the media. God damn. My nigga got the big ass retros on. Nigga got taillights on his pants. This is crazy, this motherfucker. You gotta watch out for this nigga. When he walk, he need his hazards on. This bitch nigga. Nigga said, and nigga chilling, he got that good radiator in that motherfucker. He ain't getting hot at all, bro. This nigga. Why don't you go out there and spin your shit? Why don't you go out there and spin your shit, bro? You just gotta transform and then start hitting that motherfucker. A gender reveal. He having kids early. Let's go. Bruh. Ah! I ain't gonna lie, I did not see all this back here. They They charging $15 for 3 pieces of chicken on 1 stick, and the stick ain't even long. God damn. They got the pit over there. I ain't gonna lie, I stopped watching for like good 2 hours because that shit was kind of dog water. He's driving that bitch. God. Fam, this should need a time reduction. Look at them tiny ass little exhaust tips. Bitch, I could have welded that. Time reduction just because it ain't a beat. Roman! Roman! Bro, look at this fucking lineup. I'm not gonna be recording for a fucking strong minute. Bro, as I was gonna make my way over here to hit some hoops, they got a whole Novatech F12. Is that right? 812. Holy moly moly. This bitch bring Bumblebee over here. I swear to God. Yeah, I'm about to hoop a bit. We got a fight going on to the drag strip, cuz. And this is the second one, by the way. We got the green Ninja Turtles back on it again. Them bitches look like 2 Mario tubes. Nigga ran out of gas, buddy, so we went to the coin to cash kiosk machine.
Dude, majority of this is quarters, dude. Like
this is still gross.
Dude, we can get somewhere with this. Like, we can get somewhere.